Welcome to FASTSIGNS How-To Tip Series. Today we're going to share 4 steps for how to hang a banner on a smooth or rough surface. First, determine whether you need a permit to hang a banner on the surface. Here are the tools you'll need for this job. A rotary hammer drill with correct drill bits for hole penetration, a cordless screwdriver and correct bit according to screw size, hollow wall anchors, and washers and screws to secure the banner. For installing a banner higher than ground level, a ladder will be needed. Please be sure to follow all proper safety precautions, including wearing protective eyewear. Step 1. You will want to survey the size and length of the wall to ensure the banner fits your desired location. Step 2. You will use hollow wall anchors, making sure they correspond with the drill bit size. Step 3. You then drill the first hole in the center, corresponding with the center grommet placement. Step 4. Insert the hollow wall anchor, then drill the screw and washer through the grommet. Slightly tighten all screws until all wall anchors are secured. Repeat this process until all grommets have been fastened. Conduct the final tightening of all screws to evenly fasten the banner to the wall. We hope this video helped you learn how to hang a banner on a smooth or rough surface. See more videos on the FASTSIGNS YouTube channel or visit FASTSIGNS.com to get started. We're more than ready to help you.